Hello all. Today we are going to see the problem called find the missing element from an array. So we have given an array of 6 elements and the total elements are 7, but one elements are missing. So the array elements are consist from or contains from 1 to n. So we need to find the missing element. One approach will be, we knew that the element starts from 1 and ends on n, so we can find its sum. So its sum is n into n plus 1 by 2, and we can calculate the sum of all the elements of array by looping through array. And one element is missing, so sum is exactly less than one element, so I can subtract it from original sum, then I will get my required element. But this approach may be fail if n is very large or the sum of elements can be means provide integer overflow. So we need to think about another approach. Another approach can be to use the concept of XOR. So I knew one thing, that if any elements is occurring even number of times, then its XOR is 0. But if any elements is occurring odd number of times, then its XOR is the element itself. So initially I will maintain one XOR variable and find the XOR of all the elements of array by looping through it. So I have run from 0 to n minus 1 because one element is missing. So the array contains only n minus 1 elements, and find its XOR. Then again I loop from 1 to n. In this case, the elements which are already present in array got cancelled. The only element which is not present in array, that is, it is occurring only odd times, it only remains, and we get our answer. So this is a efficient approach compared to previous, and its time complexity is big of n. So that's it for this question. Thanks for watching the video.